Now I am going to check this capacitor for delta 9001. It's 80 voltage. Before checking the capacitor, must need to discharge every capacitor. Must discharge the capacitor. Look, it was charged. Okay, this one, everyone discharge ready. Now I am going to check using this ammeter. Okay, negative loop will connect with the negative leg. Negative terminal, look, it's taking charge. This capacitor taking charge. Its ohms will be up. Another side will be short. Look, it's short. And again same, it's charging from the same place. Again I am discharging. Again take charge from the zero. Look, from the zero. If I discharge, then it start from the zero. That means this capacitor is okay. Start from the zero, and again look, 500. Again on a discharging, it take from zero. Look, from zero. Okay, this one is okay. Now another one, negative loop. This one is the negative side, negative leg, and left side is positive leg. Look, it's not taking charge. It's stuck ready. Stuck ready. Change the loop, then also same rate. Discharging is counting same 8. If I change the loop, also same. This one is spoiled, not good, bad one. Now I'm going to check this one. Discharging. Look, it's also same stuck 5. If I change the loop, then also 5 or 6. This one also bad. This one, look, it's taking charge. I need to discharge. Negative look, it's start from 0, 200, 300, 400, like this. If I change, it will show short. And again, start from there, 500, 400, 500. If I discharge, then it's again start from 0. Look, from 0. That means this capacitor is good. This one is good. Discharge, again it start from 0. Now these two are okay, and these two are bad. These two are bad. These two need to change. Now I'm going to change from one delta set. Next day you can see the video. Wait for that video. Thank you for watching the video.